How to fix access is denied error on Windows. 1. Take ownership of the directory using some tool on the web. Plan B, run. The following commands as admin: take own /f path _to _folder /r /dy icicles path _to _folder /grant administrators f/t2. Add your account to the administrators group. 3. Enable the hidden administrator account via NetUser administrator /active, yes command. Then use that admin ID for. Check your permissions and ensure you have full control permissions. 5. For OneDrive users, use command prompt to reset permissions. Run the following commands as admin: cd/user/your username here /reset/t/q/cd/path to OneDrive folder /reset/t/q plan B. Head to the autosave tab and set both documents and pictures to this PC only. 6. Set your account as administrator in control user passwords to line. 7. Use reset permissions tool at https://lalousLab.net/download/resetpermission.zip. 8. Shut down Google Drive for Windows and reinstall it. 9. Create then set one to allow insecure guest auth at hkey_local_machine /system/current control set /services /landman workstation /parameters. Restart your PC later. 10. Turn off user account control. 11. Disable your antivirus software. 12. Change ownership or permissions of temp and installer folders. 13. Check environment variables and enter %user profile %app data local temp into the environment variables.